Welcome to the Change Exchange, where we are helping you find ways to make the most out of your paycheck. The day you start working, banks, retail stores, cell phone providers will be knocking on your door to offer you credit. On average, you will be able to get 3,000 rands worth of credit for every 1,000 rand you earn. The problem is, you have to pay the money back with interest. And it's not long before you realize that most of your paycheck is going each month to pay for stuff that you bought a couple of months or even years ago, and very little is going towards your future. Just don't go there. What many people do not realize is there are a number of hidden costs when taking on a loan. I researched how much one would pay to buy a washing machine on hire purchase. And despite legislation that limits how much creditors can charge for interest, the results were shocking. Basically, a machine for 2,800 rand paid off over 24 months cost 7,000 rand. That is more than double the value of the machine. Based on this quote, you would have paid 300 rand a month. If you had just delayed the purchase of that machine and saved 300 rand a month, you could have bought the machine in 10 months and saved yourself 4,000 rand in unnecessary costs. Once you bought the machine, you could continue to put that 300 rand away into a savings account and move from being indebted into creating wealth. In a unit trust or exchange traded fund, that 300 rand could grow to 25,000 rand within 5 years. So let's have a look at what you are really paying for. Firstly, there are initiation fees, which are charged upfront to cover the administration costs of the loan. The maximum initiation fee that can be charged is 1,140 rand, including VAT. Then there are administration or service fees that are charged for the administrative costs involved with servicing the loan every month. Credit life insurance covers you for the risks like death, disability and retrenchment. Although technically you're allowed to shop around for this cover, many lenders will not lend the money unless you cover with them, and the rates can be very steep. When buying a household item, you will be asked to have product insurance against loss or damage of the item you're buying. If you already have household insurance, you should not be required to take out this cover, but again, some stores won't approve the sale if you refuse it. When it comes to interest rates, unsecured credit is usually charged at higher interest rates than secured credit, which is given on an asset such as a house or car. Although interest rates are capped to a certain maximum level according to the National Credit Act, they can still be as high as 5% a month or 60% a year. Short-term debt should be avoided at all costs, including clothing accounts. If you cannot afford to pay cash for those shoes, clothes or handbags, you can't afford them. And remember, if you cannot pay off your credit card in full at the end of every month, you cannot afford your lifestyle.